destiny number 9 or expression number 9 in numerology explained. The first part of the video I'm going to explain the destiny number 9 in numerology. In the second part I'm going to give you concrete career advice for the destiny number 9. What are you most successful in doing? The destiny number 9 is designed to be a compassionate humanitarian who contributes to making the world a better place. And this is as well one challenge you have to master on this path you're designed to be doing, because it can be that you're seeing a lot of flaws in humanity right now, that you lost your trust in people, and you are very judgmental with how other people live their life and how you live your life. Maybe you're having so high standards towards yourself, how you should be living your life, and you seem like not to match these high standards. Release them, let them go, let go of judgment of yourself and others. Knowing that what you are is enough. Knowing that you are enough without doing anything or contributing anything. You are enough and you're making already a big contribution to the world. But you have these high standards and you have this big vision, which can be a double sword. It can be a blessing and a curse at the same time for your life path. This is something you need to find a balance on, because the destiny number 9 is a number who believes in limitlessness, who believe that there are no limitations for you and for others in the world. And when you get to the point where you feel limited, it can bring up resistance or frustration within you. Let me know if you resonate with that, and let me know if you are destiny number or expression number 9, or if any of your loved ones is 1. If not, you want to find it out, please, my love. I have a specific video for that. I'm going to link that here. You are a leader. You are a big personality with a big mission here in life. So work on your compassion, being compassionate and understanding with others. At the same time, keep your high standards and live a life in integrity with your values and your goals. Practice forgiveness towards yourself and others. This is your highest potential for success. You are loved and accepted by all kinds of people, because the number 9 in numerology represents a shapeshifter. You can shift excellent with the energy of others. So other people love to have you around because you're a very friendly companion. You are loved by so many people and different kinds of people, which is a brilliant talent to have. You are here to open your heart and your mind as you become more familiar with the diverse world in which you live. You were born with the ability to achieve a high degree of compassion, understanding and tolerance, so you can make a true difference in the world. Now I'm giving you concrete career advice for the destiny number 9 in numerology. Your work life needs to have a purpose. You need a business, a career. Anything you do needs to have a purpose. So you need to know, why are you doing this? What does it mean to you? What does it give to you? And what does it give not only to you, does it give to others? Define your purpose in your work and let me know on what career path are you right now. Are you happy in your career? What are you missing right now in your career? You are a leader. You are boss type energy. Let me know if you resonate with that. You are setting the tone and you like to set the tone. Keep that, and you need that, using that strength in your career to be fully fulfilled. You could be working in a charity for a good cause, collecting money, doing fundraisers for a good cause. You could be a caretaker, taking care of others, of a community, of a business, and making sure that everything runs smoothly. You could be a healer, healing others, because others feel naturally drawn to be in your presence and they feel safe around you. They feel safe to open up, and especially when you release your judgment, they feel safe to opening up to you. And you can be a wonderful counselor because you're a highly empathic being. You can be working in a career or where you analyze or strategize a business, where you make plans, because with your desire to release limitations, you can bring a business to the next level. So you can be a very good counselor. You have the desire to make the world a better place, so find the purpose. How can you make the world a better place through your current career? And it can be even that you're in a full-time job which brings you in a good amount of money, and you use that money to build a charity, or you use that money to travel and help other people in other countries or cultures, or that you can donate money to others. A lot of ways to make the world a better place. Find your own with your creativity. You definitely are a big visionary, so you could be inventing new tools, new strategies. This is your gem as the destiny number 9. Thank you for being here on the channel, my love. Let me know in the comments if you resonate with my words. Let me know as well if you're destiny number 9. And don't forget to download your Numerology handbook. It's free, and I recommend you to make a deep dive into the number 9 to harness your true potential and to step into your true power. Thank you for being here in the Numiverse, for shedding your light in the comments, and for connecting with me here. You can follow me as well on Instagram, where you see a little bit more personal insights behind the scenes. What am I doing here in Thailand at the moment? And to send me as well a DM with, hey, let's connect. So thank you again. Keep shining your light into the world, and I see you in the next one.